How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. And today's video, I'm going to talk about ways not to be a noob at a truck meet. This video is inspired by me and All Terrain Trucks. Instagram link will be popping up right now in the description. Talking about people and ways they kind of like become noobs or ruin truck meets for other people. So if you don't want to be that guy and label as a jackass or even get your ass kicked, follow these steps, guys, because they will help you out. So, we're going to get right into it. Do not lean or touch someone's truck. This is a big pet peeve of mine. I like to keep my stuff as clean and as nice as possible. So do not walk up to it like this and lean on it like this. Forget the bird splatter because I hate birds. Don't lean on it like this or lean your jeans up against it or anything like that. You may think your clothes can't hurt it, but your clothes still have buttons and other hard stuff on it that can scratch, you know, the person's vehicle. And it's just out of common courtesy, guys. You don't touch someone else's property that's not yours. Like, you know, the bed is a perfect example of that, where you want to lean up on the bed rail or something of someone's truck, and unless they tell you can or you ask and they tell you can, don't do it, because you can easily fall over and scratch it. Like, because I carry pocket knives, so they have the metal clips on. I can scratch the crap out of someone's paint. So don't sit on it or anything like that. It's not cool, guys. It's just something you don't do. I've been growing up, you know, my dad and my grandfather, my mom's side, were into muscle cars and stuff, so I went to a lot of muscle car meets with them, and they taught me not to do that unless you ask or they tell you can touch the vehicle. Look at it, ask questions, of course, but don't go up and touch it, guys. It's someone's pride and joy. It took a lot of time and money and effort, blood, sweat, and tears into that ride, no matter if it's a $100,000 truck or a $3,000 truck. Just don't touch it, guys. It's just not worth it. Just do not go up and touch someone's wheel and tire. A lot of us that run aftermarket wheels and tires have them shined up with some kind of spray detail or wax or whatever. When you go up and do that like this, you'll leave a mark on it that throws off the whole thing. Do not go up and do that unless the person, of course, tells you to. Also, with the tires, though, we usually use tire dressing to make them black, and when you do that, it rubs off on your hands, and you'll leave the same thing like the wheel, like a scuff mark on it that can throw it off. Some of us are very OCD and anal about that kind of stuff. I know I am. It's nothing against people that are not, but I'm just OCD and anal like that I want my truck looking as perfect as possible, because I put a lot of time, money, pride, blood, sweat, and tears into my truck, as long as you might know on the channel. So don't go up and do that. Of course, ask questions and stuff like that, but also don't lean up against them. These wheels can be easily scratched and stuff like that, especially with like shoes. If you got boots on, that can scuff them up or something like that. Don't stand on the tires, of course, unless you ask if you can, you know, and all that good stuff, guys. It's just out of common courtesy not to touch it. And plus, some people take a really big offense to it, and you know, you don't want to be that guy that gets his butt kicked and get put online. So don't do that, guys. This can go vice versa between guys and girls, but mostly for guys. Do not flirt with some dude's girl that he brings to the meet. Some of us like to bring our significant other to these meets to show them what we do on our pastime, but don't be that guy that knows they're in a relationship but still goes up and flirts with her. Look, it's not cool, it's not funny. You know, you're not being a cool guy, you're not being a player, or you think you're so, you know, badass and whatnot. No. Just understand that she's his girl or whatever the circumstances are, and move on with your life. I've seen so many people get so heated at truck meets, they start yelling at each other, cussing each other out, they even get into brawls over it. Guys, it's not worth it. And to you guys, if your girl compliments another dude's truck, get the hell over it. It's not that big of a deal. Me and my girlfriend will be rolling down the road, and we'll see a nice truck. She'll be like, man, that's a really nice truck. And I'll be like, yeah, it's a really nice truck. And I don't care. If he or she leaves you for he or she that has a nicer truck than you or whatever, they're not in it for the right reasons anyways. So move on with your life. Find someone that is your perfect match and not someone that makes you look better in the truck scene. At the end of the day, it's who we love and not, like, you know, what makes us look better. But don't be that guy that flirts with the guy's girl, or don't be that girl that flirts with another girl's man at a truck meet. It never ends well, guys. I've seen so many things happen at meets. It is one of the biggest pet peeves I have at truck meets, and I've personally yelled at people for this. If you chew tobacco, for the love of God, Do not spit it near someone's vehicle. It splashes up, it splashes on the wheel, it splashes on the body. It's disgusting. There's a reason why there's mud jugs out and discreet spit bottles, not a clear plastic water bottle or anything, but discreet, purposely built for spitting in bottles for that kind of stuff. It's nasty. It is just like, it gets on people's truck. I've had to wash vehicles with on it, and it's disgusting, guys. Grow up. If you're under 18, you're buying tobacco, think you're cool, you're really not. I'm sorry to say it, but you're not that cool. I've never chewed. The only thing I do is coffee grinds. These they have like caffeine in them that I chew every once in a while if I'm on a road trip or something, but the spit makes it taste like coffee, caramel coffee, and you move on while you don't spit anything out. But don't be spitting on near someone's truck or on someone's truck. That is so disrespectful, guys, and you probably will get your butt beat. Second of all, if you smoke, if you're one of the few people out there that still smoke cigarettes, do not throw your cigarette butts in the back of someone's truck. If you're that lazy, you probably shouldn't be smoking. On top of the other health effects, but I'm not your mom, I'm not your parents, I'm not going to get into that. But do not throw your cigarette butts in the back of someone's truck. It's not cool, it's disgusting, you know. Like, you can use something, you can throw them in a trash can when you're done. You don't have to be that guy. Don't be that guy at the meet, because no one wants to talk to that guy or be around him, A. And B, it just solidifies the fact that how non-smoking areas are popping up more and more and more, even if you want to smoke. So don't be that guy that throws cigarette butts in the back of someone's truck. And this is another big pet peeve of mine. Do not throw anything in general in the back of someone's truck. As you can see, someone has thrown a water ball in the back of my truck from the last truck meet. Don't know who it is, really don't care who it is, but that's not cool. If you're too lazy to walk yourself from your truck or wherever you're standing to a trash can, then you shouldn't be at the meet. I'm sorry, you shouldn't. It's out of respect, guys. I love to keep my bed super clean. Some people like to just throw stuff in it. That's fine. But it's not your vehicle. You don't have the right to do that. It's kind of disgusting. And especially if it's a dip bottle or, God forbid, something else or whatnot. Pick up your trash and throw it away. I've personally had to yell at people for that too. It's not that cool. Because most of the time they'll have to lean up against it to throw it in there or get near the truck. And sometimes they miss and hit the side of your daggum truck. So, you know, it's like, grow up. It's not that cool, you know. Go throw it away in a trash can like a normal person does. But that's just it's disgusting, guys. I mean, you don't know what that is in there. Like, just walk yourself to the trash can, okay? It's not that hard. So that's gonna do it for this video on how not to be a noob, you know, at a truck meet or truck meet etiquette. If you have any more points you want to put them down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you all think. You know, shout out to, of course, All Terrain Trucks for helping me come up with this idea. It's a really cool video, and I really appreciate it. But yeah, comment down below, guys, if I missed anything or whatnot, or if you've had any experiences like this before. So, thank you all so much for watching this video. Remember, if I hit 3,000 subscribers by June 1st, I'm doing another GoPro giveaway. We're at over 2,700 now, so we're really close, guys, and we can push it over to 3,000. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.